Hi everyone. This is our project. We called it Barista Bot, and yeah, I'm Anyolo.
I'm Patrick.
And I am Lev.
So the basic idea behind our project is it's a database for caffeinated drinks. Some of them aren't caffeinated, but yeah, that's what the idea started as. And we implemented it using Django as a framework, and this allows us to interact with the database and also add some web pages for some more user-friendly applications. So this is our initial ER diagram. Um, we have users, we have drinks, sides, and ingredients. Those are our main entities. And we have relations such as a user can create and like drinks. There is one side per drink, and drinks can have multiple ingredients associated with them. We were initially having a bit, we had a lot more attributes that we ended up getting rid of and slimming down. But this was what we had started with.
So for our relational schema, a lot of the information is very similar to the ER diagram. We have users who have a username as their key attribute. Users can like drinks. We initially had the ability for users to have a created attribute that would link them to a drink, although we ended up slowing down. We didn't feel like this was really necessary. Um, Drinks can also have, their ID in the database, their name, if they're an official drink or not, which would just be if we created it in the admin database. The description, the instructions, if it's a hot or a cold drink, the ingredients in the drink, and what that drink contains. Drinks can also be paired with a side, which we have lower down the database. So for implementing the schema, we created an individual class for the side, which would be created in the admin interface, as Lev will show later. And the side would just have a name and a description. There's ingredients that would have, again, just name and caffeine, if whether or not it's caffeinated and how much caffeine would be in it. And then the drinks themselves, which again are hot and cold. They would have an ID, a UUID ID field. A name, a description. The users would enter instructions, all that stuff, and then they can also be liked by users.
Yeah, so now I'm going to open up our application and give you guys a little demonstration of it. So as you can see, I already have it open here and I'm in the admin interface. So I can just go in and add a side. So I will add a bagel. Yummy bagel is the description. We'll save that. And then I will go to our /drinks URL, which will just show all of the drinks in the database. So here I can view just milk and ice. Description, it is what it is. Temperature, served cold, and it contains milk and ice. As you can see, we have this liked now. I can like or unlike it. So it's currently liked again. So if I go back here, click on my profile, my username, my username is admin, and we can see my liked drinks here. If I want to go ahead and add a drink, I would do that by clicking the add drink button, making the name. I will call this morning coffee. The description is what I have every morning. And the instructions are make it. I serve this hot with just milk and coffee, and I'm going to pair that with a bagel. And then I hit save drink, and now you can see we have morning coffee added to our database. If next morning I want to pick something random, then I can, from this menu, hit the random drink button, and oh, looks like I'm making just milk and ice today. We do also have a page that allows users to add ingredients if they want to use their own custom ingredients. So I can add some syrup, and that is not caffeinated. And now we can see syrup shows up as an option. In addition to that, there is just registration and login pages, which are pretty standard, what you would expect. And that is all the functionality that we added for our web page. So thank you guys very much.